In this tutorial, you will learn how to complete and submit the documents needed to set up direct deposit from off-campus. Direct deposit allows you to have your paycheck deposited directly into your bank account every time you get paid. To get a direct deposit application, go to the Los Rios main page and select the tab on the top right entitled Employees. This will direct you to a new page. From here, on the drop-down Forms and Services, select the tab Forms. Next, scroll down and select the tab on the left entitled Payroll Forms. Then select the first form entitled Direct Deposit Application BS-178. To print the application, simply select the print icon on the top. To complete the application, you will need to include your employee ID number, phone number, name, and address. You will also need to put the name of your bank's phone number, the account you want to deposit your paycheck, like checking or savings, and your account number. Next, you will have two different boxes to choose from: New Account and Close Account. New Account is if you are opening a new account to receive direct deposits. Close Account is if you would like to stop receiving direct deposits in a specific account. This will give you a prompt to specify which bank you are closing your account. If you are adding a new account, you must attach a voided check with the application. This check cannot be a blank temporary check. The check must have your name, address, and bank printed on it. If you do not own checks, your bank should provide a general form that can be issued. This form is typically called the Direct Deposit Form or Employer Direct Deposit Form. Usually you can download this form from online banking. Otherwise, it can be requested in person at a bank branch. Once you have completed and attached your check or Employer Direct Deposit form, you must also provide a copy of a photo ID, such as your driver's license or student ID card. Make sure you sign and date these forms before mailing them to the following address. Now you know how to set up your direct deposit off campus. We hope you learned something new and useful in this video. Thank you for watching.